Hey gang, just want to give you this quick video on this ICEPURE. This is a replacement filter. You're supposed to replace this every 6 months. There's a button right here on our Maytag refrigerator that says order. So we order these and we're going to do a quick replacement of these. This is the original one. It says remove this before installation. So there's just a little plastic part that comes off there, and now it's ready to be installed. But first we need to take out the other one. There's a little tab inside here. So press this tab, comes down, and it has a little arrow right here. I'm just gonna unscrew this one. And then I'm going to replace it with this one right here. It's as simple as that.
Once you've replaced your filter, make sure that you drain the water for 5 minutes or 3 gallons.
Couple of notes that I didn't show is I have to hit the reset button so that when it's time for the filter to be replaced, it turns yellow, so it says order, and then when it turns red, at least on my Maytag, that means replace it, but we just replace it when it turns yellow. The ICEPURE water filter is an awesome value, and this filter system model fits the RWFFR 0900AS, and the taste of the water is fantastic, so it filters the water great. So this is an excellent water filter for your refrigerator if you have the RWF 0900A-S. That's your replacement. This works perfectly for this. We have a Maytag refrigerator and we highly recommend this. Thanks for watching.